Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your English teacher and I welcome you all in the summary of today's Zoom online English class. Dear students, this is your book Better English Literacy Skills for Grade 6 by Maria Rally. Hope you all have the book. In our last lecture, we discussed Unit 2, right? And Unit 2 was about the insect inspects, in which we did the reading and explanation. Just I am going to give you a short summary here. We read about the insect, that insect's body is divided into 3 parts. The first is head, the second one is thorax, and the third one is abdomen, right? Insects have 3 pairs of legs. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, and some insects, not all the insects, some insects have antennae and some insects have wings also, right? We also discussed that insects are not insects because what is the reason behind that? The reason is that insects, the spider has 4 pairs of legs instead of 3. The spiders has 4 pairs of legs, and that is the reason that that the spiders are not insects. They are included in arachnid groups. Now in today's lecture we are going to discuss book exercises, right? No need to discuss the unit, the comprehension again. So you will do the work on book. I hope you all have books. Open up page number 10 of your book. We are going to do book exercises, right? Now, here I have written the same book exercise on pages to make it clear and visible, right? Now, open up page number 10 of Unit 2, Insect Inspect, on which we have exercise A, answer the questions. So question number 1 is, name the 3 sections of an insect. You will find the answer from the passage, right? As we discussed and I have told you now, the insect's body are divided into 3 main parts, and then only you will mention the name of those parts. So the first part is head. The second is thorax. The thorax is also known as the chest or the middle part. And the last part is abdomen, that is also belly, right? So these are the 3 names which you will write on the book. You will do this exercise on the book, right? Once again, I am going to tell you, you will do this exercise on book. Name the 3 sections of an insect. You will just write the names head, thorax, and abdomen. Now question number 2 is, why is a spider not an insect? Now in the question they ask about the reason. Why the spiders are not included in an insect group? As I told to you, because the spiders have 4 pairs of legs. That is the reason they are not included in insect group. Their group name is known as arachnids. So how you will write the answer? A spider is not an insect because it has 4 pairs of legs, right? For a singular, it is singular. I have mentioned here a spider. So I am going to write it here, and then with it we are going to write the helping verb has. A spider is not an insect because it has 4 pairs of legs. This is your answer number 2. Now question number 3 is, how can insects be helpful? You know that insects are not only pests, they are not only troublesome, they are not only irritating us, they are also useful. Now here you will mention the reasons. 2 reasons are mentioned in the passage. Because of the limited space, you will write only one option, right? Either you want to write insects can be helpful because they carry pollen from flower to flower. That is the first reason. Either you want to write this one, or you are going to write the second one, which is they are important source of food for some plants, animals, and other insects. This is the second reason, right? In the both, you will only select one. No need to write both because we have not enough space on the book. This is your book exercise you will do on the book. So you will write any one reason that why insects are helpful. How insects are helpful. You will mention any one reason. This is question number 3 which you will do on book. Now question number 4 is asked from you. Right? This question is asked from Yes, from you people, that which 3 insects do you see most often? I have mentioned 3, but it's depend on you. Either you want to write these 3 or on your own choice. I have mentioned butterflies, bluebottles, ants or bees. You will mention any 3. Those insects which you see most oftenly. You will only mention 3 insects which you see most oftenly, right? So I have written these 3 and 4. You will write any 3, either the same or you are going to write on your own choice. This question is on your own choice. Now question number 5 is, what does camouflage help some insects avoid? How? कैसे? क्या avoid करता है? Yes, camouflage helps some insects to avoid danger, to avoid risk, to avoid trouble. So the danger word is mentioned in the passage. Either you want to write the danger or the same synonyms. All are correct. Camouflage helps some insects to avoid danger. Now the last question is, which insect do you think is the most? Now this same question is asked from you people. You will write about, what do you think, which insects are interesting? I have written butterflies, but if you want to write about the ladybirds, because they are also interesting, if you want to write about the dragonflies, so many other insects which are interesting according to your point of view, you will write any one over here. Okay, which insects are annoying? I have mentioned flies. Either you want to write about the mosquitoes, either you are going to write about the flies or moths, right? They are such insects which are annoying us, which are irritating us. And which insect do you think is the most helpful? That is, a honeybee is helpful. Even butterflies are also helpful. Ants are helpful. So you will write on your own choice. You will do this exercise A on book, right? This is exercise A of page 10 that you will do on book. You can't see the books properly, so I have written the exercise, the same exercise on the page. Now exercise B is also included, and you will write, who am I? Write the name of the insect. Now some description is here, and according to the description you will write the name of the insect. Now the description is, a blue bottle is one. Here it is mentioned because of the fly's blue body. A name is also given, blue body, and it is also known as fly. The second description is, I collect pollen to make honey. Now butterflies are also collecting pollen, are also taking pollen from flower to flower, but they are not collecting the pollens, right? They are only taking with their feet. But the honeybees are those insects which collect pollen from flower to flower to make honey. Now the third description is, I can appear from any crack. Which insect appear from the cracks of any wall, of any road? Yes, ants. Ants appear from the crack. Now here you will write ant. Okay, I am like a butterfly but come out at night. We discussed that butterfly and one other insects which look same, but they are only, the moths are such insects which come out only at night, and they are also known as nocturnal. Those insects or animals which come out at night, they are known as nocturnal. So I am like a butterfly but come out at night. So that is which insect? Moth. Now exercise C is not included in our course, right? It is excluded. So you will do only these 2 exercises on the book. Okay, that is all about today's lecture. Hope it is clear to you and you will do the work on the book. Till next, Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.